Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Adams Tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in adamstaxforms.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Adams Tax account. In order to sign into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now within the email address box, type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. Now if you're using a public device, make sure to uncheck the Remember Me box and then before logging in, click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Adams Tax account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Adams Tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.